So the objective of this little video report is to try and show you that there are a wealth of activities available on the Go Math website that you can access. On the dashboard, here we are, you have a choice of grades. I am going to go to grade 4. And I'm actually going to click on the resources link, the actual sort of subheading resources link. And when I click on that, again, I get the chance to choose which grade I'd like. It's remembered my selection from the last time I've been here. And you can actually scroll through these. There are an enormous amount of things on here. But some of the things that I've quite enjoyed looking at and using are, first of all, what I'm trying to do is develop these 21st century skills. So any sort of project, and the math model has been interested in my classroom. This, okay, with the math model, it takes a while to open. So this will give you projects that the students can access. Let's go back to if you come to the contents page, okay, we have critical areas, the 3 critical areas that we look at. We have a review project, and we have just a project to do throughout your curriculum. So I did this one last year, the food in space. It's all about dividing and multiplying. So if you scroll up, there you go, there's your project. Okay, now you don't, to be honest, I don't think you need to print this off. I think you can just give this this was used as an extension activity in my classroom. And the students were able to just use the scratch paper, and they were able to just answer the questions on scratch paper. So I didn't actually have to print any of it off. You can just assign it to students. Okay, so there's one of the activities that I quite like. I really like the animated math models. Okay, so you can pick any skill. So there you go, let's have a look. We were multiplying earlier. Multiply 3-digit numbers. And it won't open up. Let's see if I can get it. Okay, no problem. Let's try and order some whole numbers then. Skill number 2. Oh, go. Sorry, I have to click go. I've totally forgot. Sorry. There you go. So it will load up. Now, what I particularly like about the math models is that they have a teaching part, which is the learn the math. Okay, you see the button down, the arrow down here is flashing because it wants me to press it.
Which is the greatest number? Use a number line to order the numbers. First, show 6,643 on the number line.
Okay, so after they've tried
the number line.
they can do the
Order
math,
the numbers
have a
from
practice.
least to greatest. Drag your answers.
Then the independent practice does not give them so much guidance.
Use the number line. Type your answers.
And then a quiz at the end to see how well they got
Use
on.
the number line. Type your answers.
Okay, so I do like this one. And there's one more I'd like to show you. And these are just the activities that I've understood quite well. We have, let me find it. The strategic interventions that you can use. For the Mega Math, we talked about the Mega Math before. And I also like the ITILs, the online manipulatives that you can use. Here are your options that you can choose from. They'll give you number lines, number charts, the base 10 blocks, which we looked at previously. And that's going to be off your screen, sorry. So I'll keep it small so you can see it on the screen. So again, the base 10 blocks that you can just, if I wanted to show 422, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 400. And now I think I said 22, didn't I? 20. So there's my manipulatives. Now, if I want to, I can line them up. I can use other forms. I particularly like this. So if I use other forms, it tells me the word form, the expanded form, and the standard form, which is quite a big part of grade 4. And then at the top here, it will give me some activities that I can do using these manipulative tools. Okay. So that is actually one of my favorites, the online manipulatives, because I don't have that many actual manipulatives in my classroom, so I really like that. I hope that this has helped you. I think what you need to do is perhaps everybody teaches in different ways, so I've showed you some of the activities that I've enjoyed using, but I think that maybe, oh, can I just show you one more, the transparencies. So we can use the transparencies, Teacher Edition, Chapter 1, problem of the day. There it is again. Okay, so you can pop that up at any time that you would like to, whenever you like to do your problem of the day. Everything's there for you. So I hope this has helped you by giving you some ideas of how you can be a little bit more personalized in your learning. All these activities can be assigned to students, and that is one of our trainings as well. Thank you.